Welcome to the VSK Business Consultant Real Estate FAQ, your guide to informed property buying. Q. What types of properties do you specialize in? A. We handle a diverse range of properties, including residential, apartments, villas, independent houses, commercial, offices, retail spaces, warehouses, and land parcels. Our focus is on understanding your specific needs and matching you with the ideal property. Q. How do you ensure the legality and authenticity of the properties you recommend? A. We conduct thorough due diligence, including verifying title deeds, obtaining encumbrance certificates, and ensuring all necessary approvals are in place. We work with legal experts to minimize any potential risks. Q. What is your fee structure? A. Our fee structure is transparent and typically based on a percentage of the property's transaction value. We will provide a detailed breakdown of our fees upfront, ensuring clarity and avoiding any surprises. Q. Can you assist with property financing and loan approvals? A. Yes. We have established relationships with leading banks and financial institutions. We can guide you through the loan application process and help you secure the best possible financing options. Q. How do you determine the fair market value of a property? A. We use a combination of market analysis, comparative sales data, and expert valuation to assess the fair market value. This ensures you are making an informed investment decision. Q. What is the process for viewing and selecting properties? A. We will schedule property viewings based on your availability and preferences. We will provide detailed information about each property and answer any questions you may have. Q. Do you offer assistance with negotiations and closing the deal? A. Absolutely. We will represent your interests during negotiations and ensure a smooth closing process. We will handle all necessary paperwork and coordinate with all parties involved. Q. What are the current market trends in the local real estate sector? A. We stay updated on the latest market trends and provide you with valuable insights into the local real estate sector, including price fluctuations, demand patterns, and upcoming developments. Q. Can you provide information about future development plans in the area? A. Yes. We can provide information about planned infrastructure projects, zoning changes, and other developments that may impact property values. Q. What after-sales services do you offer? A. We can assist with property registration, possession handover, and other post-purchase requirements. We aim to provide comprehensive support throughout the entire process. Q. How do you handle client confidentiality? A. We adhere to strict confidentiality policies and ensure that all your personal and financial information is protected. Q. What is your experience in dealing with NRI property buyers? A. We have extensive experience in assisting NRI clients with their property purchases. We understand the specific challenges they face and provide tailored solutions. Q. How do you handle disputes or issues that may arise during the transaction? A. We strive to resolve any disputes amicably and efficiently. We will act as a mediator and work towards a solution that is satisfactory to all parties involved. Q. What makes VSK Business Consultant different from other real estate consultants? A. Our commitment to personalized service, transparency, and ethical practices sets us apart. We prioritize your needs and provide expert guidance throughout the entire property buying process. We have a deep understanding of the local market and a network of trusted professionals. Stay connected with VSK Business Consultant for more real estate insights and updates. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our WhatsApp channel, and like us on Facebook and Instagram. Trust is VSK Business Consultant.